Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick HubSpot guide, I'm going to walk you through how to add or remove contact records from a static list. It's simple, but yeah, a lot of people miss a few tiny steps. So let's make it super clear. First, head over to your contacts page. Just hover up to the top navigation bar and choose contacts, then tap on contacts again from the dropdown. Next, you'll want to open the static list you're working with. Click Lists and then select the static list where you want to add or remove people. To add contacts, hit the Add Contacts button near the top right. You can search by name, email, or any property you like. Select the contacts you want and confirm to add them. Static lists don't auto-update, so whatever you add stays there until you remove it. To remove contacts, scroll through the list or use the search bar. Check the box next to the contact record, click More, and choose Remove from List. HubSpot will immediately pull them out, and that's really all there is to it. If you need to update a bunch of contacts at once, like maybe 20 or 50, just select multiple checkboxes. For adding, use the Add Contacts tool. For removing, use the bulk. Remove from list option. HubSpot handles large batches pretty smoothly. Before you move on, double-check your static list. Scroll through and make sure everything looks right. Static lists don't sync automatically, so any changes you make are manual, and that's pretty much it. Adding or removing contacts in a static list is super quick once you know where everything is. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more HubSpot walkthroughs, and thanks for watching.